Screen recording tutorials make complex tasks seem simple. They show exactly where to click, what to type, and how a workflow should look, from start to finish. I create polished screen recording tutorials that teach, onboard, support your users, and elevate your message. Each video is built with clean, intentional editing. You get zooms, highlights, callouts, cursor emphasis, sound design, and annotations that guide the viewer's attention, so every step is easy to follow. Webcam overlays can be added for a more personal step-by-step experience. Your project includes a polished tutorial, screencast recordings, sound mixing, video editing, overlays, titles, special effects, and source files. You can choose full production, where I handle the screen recording and editing end-to-end, or provide your own recordings for professional refinement. To get started, I just need your script or detailed instructions, plus any media you want included. Videos are delivered in 4K MP4 format, ready for LMS platforms, training libraries, customer help centers, social media, websites, and more. Contact me for details or to get started.